Let's be honest, the search for the ultimate gaming laptop is a daunting task. You're either compromising on performance or breaking the bank to get the specs you crave. But what if I told you about a device that not only delivers on the promise of exceptional gaming, but also offers a premium experience, a robust build quality, and a design that will leave you in awe? Enter the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop, an absolute beast that has captured our attention and stolen our hearts. Now, let's address a fundamental problem in the gaming laptop market. Too often, these powerful machines compromise on the essentials, like thermal management, memory, and storage. The result? A hot mess of a device that's more suited for a science experiment than an immersive gaming experience. But ASUS seems to have taken heed of our complaints with the Strix G16, as evidenced by its robust build quality, sleek design, and user-friendly interface. The first thing you'll notice about the Strix G16 is its sheer presence. It's a large device, weighing in at approximately 5.7 pounds, but the premium feel of the aluminum and magnesium alloy construction justifies the extra weight. The angular design language is unmistakably ASUS, and we can't praise it enough. It's a bold statement that screams, "I'm a gaming laptop, hear me roar." The lid features a sturdy hinge, allowing you to open the laptop with one hand, and the display's bezels are sleek and minimized, giving you an immersive gaming experience. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's dive into the features that make the Strix G16 truly exceptional. At its heart lies a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, a behemoth of a chip that can handle even the most demanding games and multitasking scenarios with ease. Paired with this is an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU, boasting 140W Max TGP and the latest ray tracing capabilities, ensuring visuals that are simply breathtaking. With 16 gigabytes of DDR5-4800 MHz memory and a 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD, the Strix G16 offers blazing fast storage and RAM, allowing you to multitask with ease and launch your favorite games in seconds. As we explore the features further, we find that the ASUS ROG Strix G16 also boasts impressive thermal management, courtesy of Thermal Grizzly's Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal on the CPU. This is the kind of innovation that makes a tangible difference in real-world usage, keeping your laptop cool even during prolonged gaming sessions. You get a third intake fan, ensuring that the airflow is optimized for better sustained performance over long periods of gaming. Now, let's talk about real-world usage and the experiences you'll have with the Strix G16. Imagine yourself in a virtual battle royale, fighting against 50 other players. The Strix G16 is capable of handling this scenario with ease, maintaining a stable 144 frames per second even at 1080p or 1440p resolutions. You can also expect to experience silky smooth gameplay in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, even at 4K resolutions. This is thanks to the 165Hz display, a feature that's sure to impress any gamer. In terms of trade-offs, you may find that the Strix G16's battery life is slightly above average, lasting around 2 to 3 hours of intense gaming. However, this is a minor complaint considering the powerhouse of a device you're getting. And, as always, there are some limitations to the thermal management system, leading to some noise during intense gaming sessions. When considering competing options, it's clear that ASUS has set the bar high with the Strix G16. Compared to the likes of the MSI GT77 and Razer Blade 15, it offers a compelling balance of performance, build quality, and price. However, it's worth noting that this is not a budget-friendly option, with the G614 JV model pricing at around $2,300. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is an exceptional device that's sure to please even the most discerning gamers. With its powerful performance, premium build quality, and sleek design, it's the perfect companion for anyone seeking an immersive gaming experience. While there's room for improvement in terms of battery life, the Strix G16's innovations more than make up for this drawback. So, if you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to new heights, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is the perfect choice. And with the Windows 11 operating system and Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, you can rest assured that you're getting a comprehensive and future-proof device.